Hey guys, what's going on? This is Jake. I'm here at Minneapolis HairClub about to get a fresh cut, fresh style. Why don't you join me?
Hey guys, Jeff ElZenny here today with Jake Kent. Jake has an amazing YouTube channel where he is destigmatizing hair loss. And today you're really excited about being able to expose what we're doing. Why don't you talk a little bit about that, Jake?
Yeah, for sure. So today we're gonna be putting on new cut, new style, get a new hair system, and take you along for the journey, show what that transformation looks like.
All right, so we're really excited. So stay tuned and we're gonna see the finished product.
Hair loss for me became something I was very cognizant of early in my life. I remember being 13 and counting the strands of hair that I was losing. It came mostly from seeing my mom and my dad both suffering from different types of hair loss my entire life. I expected it to happen. It was like the inevitable fate that was coming my way. And as I got older, into my 20s, things progressed the way that we expected. I started to lose my hair, and it really started to affect not only the way that I looked, but the way that I presented myself to the world. I stopped showing up inside of my relationships. I stopped being as driven professionally. I started holding myself back, and it was because of how I felt about myself. But the beautiful thing is now that I have my hair back, I don't even think about it. And that's the best relief that I could possibly have. It's not even a question about if I'm gonna go to an event. Of course I'm gonna go to an event. Of course I'm gonna go to that wedding. Of course I'm gonna go to that party. Of course I'm gonna go to that dinner. Whatever it is, I don't think about my hair loss. I don't think about people looking. People think about important events, milestones in their life where things drastically change for them. They think about weddings, they think about graduations, they think about getting a new job in a new city or something like that. Getting my hair back has been one of the most pivotal experiences in my life. It completely set my life on a different trajectory. I ski, I snowboard, I do CrossFit every single day, I mountain bike. I do all of these things that most people don't believe are possible when you get your hair back, and live my life normally without reservation, and there's no limits. There's nothing I feel like I can't do.